I really wanted to dye my whole head this copper color. I don't know, it's like a copper cinnamon type color. It's perfect for fall. Anyway, this is what my roots look like. My hair is grown out, it's dingy, and it's gray. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in sections. I take like an inch above my ear, and that's where I start my parting. I'm using the Ion permanent hair colors. I'm using jet black. So this tube has 2.5 ounces of cream hair color in it. I'm gonna put all of it into a mixing bowl. I'm actually using 2 of those. And then I'm taking a 20 volume cream developer, and I'm just gonna eye it, but technically you wanna put in 2.5 ounces of that per 2.5 ounces of your tube hair color. I don't know if that makes sense. So I technically used 5 ounces of hair color and 5 ounces of cream developer. Ooh, okay, that was a mouthful. So this is what I do. I take my brush and I just go around the perimeter of my hair first to apply all that color to the roots where everything is kind of grown out. So this is more like of a touch-up. I'm not a professional, but I've been coloring my hair jet black at home for years, probably like 10 years now. And I'm okay with doing jet black. I'm used to that. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. And that's where I have all that gray, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my jet black hair dye, and then I start working in sections at this point because I don't believe all of my ends need this hair dye on them, because I just dyed my hair jet black maybe like 6 months ago. But I went ahead and just did my whole head pretty much, and the way I do it is I just wear gloves and I make sure to saturate each section with hair dye. And that's pretty much it. You don't want too big of a section because you don't want it to be like splotchy or anything like that. But since this is jet black, I was fine with doing semi big sections because my hair is already pretty dark, as you can see, so it's okay. Now I'm working on the next section of my hair, and like I said, I just take these sections that are not super chunky, but you know, just right. And I make sure I get the color put on from the root and work my way down. I'm saturating my hair. You can go through like and brush this in or comb it in, I'm sorry, just to make sure you do it evenly. But like I said before, my hair is already jet black, so I really didn't need to like be super duper intense about this whole process. And then I just went in and put that black dye on those gray roots in the middle of my head. Now I'm putting on a fresh pair of gloves, and I'm going to add half a packet of Quick Blue to 2 ounces of 30 volume developer. So here's the confusing part where I went wrong. So you see how some of my hair is already lightened because I've done this process before, and some of it is still jet black. What I should have done is taken the part that is jet black, and I should have used the color oops on it to remove that jet black hair dye. Because now what's going to happen is my hair is not going to lift evenly because I already have a section that is pre-bleached and I have a section that is jet black. So I should have just gone in with a color oops packet to get all the black hair dye out, so that when I did decide to bleach my hair and lift it, it would have lifted more evenly and not been patchy. It's okay though, you live and you learn. So I did go ahead and comb that bleach all the way through my hair, and just so y'all know, that was not the color oops that I put in my hair, that was bleach. I went ahead and rinsed out my hair, and now I'm applying this K18 to it. This is something that's going to repair your hair, and it's really good to use after you've done like hair bleaching or color in your hair. And you basically rub it in until it turns white on your hands. That's how you emulsify the product. And then I'm just going to put it all over my head. I use 2 whole pumps for my head. Once I've got it on my strands, I comb it through and I let it sit for 4 whole minutes. I do not rinse it out or anything like that. You just let it sit on your hair. You don't have to rinse it. So yeah, just leave it be. Because it didn't lift evenly, I could have re-bleached it like after a few weeks, but I don't want to do all that. This is how much hair I combed out, not too shabby. So I went ahead and let my hair air dry for the most part. I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a different color because this looks absolutely crazy. What I did is I took the Ion permanent hair color. This is the 7RC copper brown, It's medium copper brown actually. And I take this whole tube, I'm gonna put it into my mixing bowl, and then I'm gonna take a 20 volume developer, and I'm just going to apply that starting at the roots and work my way down. And this whole thing is crazy because like my roots in some areas of course lifted brighter than other parts of my hair, but girl, it was just too much. So I was like, I'm just gonna apply this color all over. I'm gonna saturate it from root to end, and I left it on for about 40 minutes because I just wanted the color to take really well. And I realized there are going to be some parts of my hair that are like black or a little bit uneven. If you take anything from this video, I just want you to see where I made mistakes. So if you decide to do your own hair at home, you don't make the same mistakes. I went ahead and rinsed out my hair dye, and this is what it's looking like. You can see like near my ears, it's a little bit more bright. And of course, like at the bottom where my hair was already lifted, but I think it turned out so cute. I want to add some moisture back into my hair, and I would have loved to have used a moisturizing hair mask, but I'm all out and I didn't think to buy any. So I'm using my Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and I'm gonna put that all throughout my hair, comb it through, and I leave this in for about 45 minutes before I rinse it out. Call me crazy, maybe I'm overdoing it, but I did add more K18 to my hair. I just did one pump this time. I just don't want to damage my hair. Dyeing it and bleaching it is so scary to me, but I know it's going to be fine as long as I take really good care of it. Anyway, I combed that K18 through, let it sit for 4 minutes. Now I'm going in with my Kenra heat protectant. This heat protectant is my favorite and it smells so good. I did a quick blow dry, but I didn't leave all that on camera because y'all have seen me do it so many times. I'm sure you're tired of that by now. And then I just went through and I straightened my hair. And I'm just gonna do like a quick style so y'all can see what it's looking like. Here's more of what that color looks like whenever it's mixed in and when it's just on its own. I think it turns out so cute. I love the highlight, like the Peekaboo highlights on people. I think it's so pretty. Girl, not me leaving a whole patch in my kitchen. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to fix that later. But anyway, this is what the hair looks like when it's all curled. I think I did a pretty good job doing this at home by myself, and I couldn't really see that great, but it looks real cute. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a thumbs up, and thank y'all for watching. Bye.